Today, the Joint Parliamentary Committee debated on the 129th amendment of our Constitution, basically on one nation, one election. I've submitted a memorandum. Of course, I can't share it with you, but definitely we opposed the one nation, one election because this is not in connivance with our federal structure. So it is a threat to our federal structure, especially to the state structure, to regional parties. One nation, one election, if held simultaneously, it is several constitutional provisions. It is a violation to that. Particularly, we need to understand that India was a healthy democracy in 1952 to 1967. And in 4 simultaneous elections when they were held, parliamentary assembly. But it was the natural instinct of the constitution that came about because of these issues that were held in various assemblies, in various member of parliament elections, that simultaneously elections were held, was stopped. Now we spoke to presented to the Honorable Chairman and the committee that basically India is united. India cannot be divided. India has one. The BJP wants to basically showcase everything as one. One nation, one election, one religion, one caste, whatever. So all these things, I believe today when we look one nation, one election, we have objected to 10 nail. We have given our memorandum. The idea is in our democratic, vibrant setup and the constitution. I believe it is mandatory that we respect our constitution already. That was there for several years. This is only being done to make sure that smaller parties, regional parties, this would be the end of the region.